Hey, and welcome to Bio 101
with Grayson
and Saran
and Greenika and Serena.
Today we will be talking about genetics.
Well, that's a broad topic.
Well, we're going to be talking about something that has piqued scientists' interest.
Identical twins.
What can we possibly need to know about identical twins? They're identical.
Well, scientists actually now believe that twins may not be identical genetically.
Wait, what?
Well, if a pair of identical twins marry another pair of identical twins, would their children be identical?
Duh, because identical twins are the same person.
But does 2 plus 2 equal 2? Or does it equal 4? We're going to address all your questions and quench your thirst for knowledge. Just sit back and listen, and we'll answer this question and give you more than one reasons as to why we're right.
What are identical twins? Do they have the same DNA? And if two pairs of identical twins get married and have kids, will those children be identical twins? In this video, we will answer these questions and more. You've probably seen identical twins before. Two people walking side by side that make you think you're seeing double. The probability of a couple having identical twins is 3.5 out of every 1,000 kids. But what does the term identical mean? Identical twins come from one fertilized egg that splits into two, while fraternal twins come from two different fertilized eggs. Sometimes identical twins are called one-egg twins because these two people that seem like the same on the outside may look a little different on the inside. Previously, it was thought that identical twins were the same exact person, inside and out, and change over time due to epigenetic factors. Epigenetic factors are factors from the environment that can change your genome, such as dietary habits. For example, what you eat. Or destructive habits such as smoking or drinking. Or healthy habits such as exercise or doing yoga.
Every smoker can develop the gene that causes lung cancer. These aren't the only things that cause differences. Copy number variance is when one's DNA is different from the others at different points in their genomes. One twin can have a different number of alleles of the same gene. You inherit one allele from each parent, but there are regions in the genome that have 0 to 14 copies of a gene. So identical twins don't actually share the same DNA. Let's return to our central question. Because identical twins don't have identical DNA, the children won't be identical. Even if the parents had identical DNA, their children wouldn't.
It all goes back to the very beginning of a child's life. A kid inherits half of their DNA from their mother and half of their DNA from their father. However, two different kids will not inherit the same mixture of DNA from their mom or dad. So, two kids are born from the same parents are not identical. Every single egg and sperm has a different mixture of DNA, so no two kids from different eggs have identical DNA. How does each egg and sperm become unique? Through a process called meiosis. Reproduction needs a male gamete and female gamete, and these are made through meiosis. In meiosis, 4 genetically different haploid cells are made, which only have 23 chromosomes, half of the normal amount. Meiosis starts with one diploid cell, which has 46 chromosomes and 23 homologous pairs. During the beginning of meiosis in prophase 1, these homologous chromosome pairs swap some alleles so that they have even more genetic diversity. This process is called genetic recombination.
The cell then splits once and then one more time, making 4 cells, each with 23 chromosomes and a different mixture of each person's DNA. One of these haploid cells from the female, called an egg, and one of these haploid cells from the male, called a sperm. They combine their DNA in reproduction, so the resulting kid is 46 chromosomes. This explains why siblings with similar DNA are not identical. Okay, so going back to the pairs of identical twins that got married. Although their DNA is almost identical, their kids would not be. The children have the same parents genetically, and so it's like their siblings. They come from different eggs and sperms. It's a mixture of the DNA. Thanks for watching!
In conclusion, I was wrong the whole time, and they were right, every single thing they said.
Catch us next time on
Bio
101.
That have piqued scientists' interest.
What?
Catch us next time on
Bio
101. Catch us next time. Just catch it.
They're all probably sitting out there listening.
Catch us next time on
Wait, why don't I try to say it?